Back everyone, you may be in a situation where your iPhone screen is actually unresponsive. Now what does this mean? Well, maybe your display is just not working, maybe it still turns on, but the touchscreen just isn't working. Now this can happen for a few different reasons. The first thing I'd recommend doing is trying to see if you actually randomly dropped your phone extremely hard on its display. If you accidentally threw your phone, your iPhone was in your book bag and you randomly dropped it or whatever the case is, it may actually be a hardware defect and you may have to go ahead and send it to Apple. You may not have to, but that is just kind of just testing the waters, just making sure you understand that if you recently dropped it and it's being unresponsive, well, that's probably what you're going to have to do. Now, let's say your iPhone was working perfectly fine, but now it's just frozen. Well, in that case, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click the volume up button, volume down button, and you want to hold the power button on the side until your iPhone fully restarts. So click volume up, volume down, and you want to go and hold down the power button until your phone completely restarts. So as long as you keep holding it down, the phone will randomly just allow you to go and restart it. So as you can see, right now it just randomly shut off. Now you keep holding it down until you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you want to let go. Now when you let go, the phone will go ahead and restart, and hopefully if everything went right, the phone will now be responsive and you will now be able to use the phone as you normally would. This is essentially a soft reboot or a hard reboot. It's actually a hard reboot, even though this doesn't have a removable battery. Now when you get into this display, what you want to do, swipe back up and you want to see if the phone is now working. A majority of the time, that will probably end up fixing the situation and you should be good to go for the most part. Now you can still be in a situation where your device is still not working with its display. Then what I would recommend doing here is seeing if the volume buttons still show you the display, kind of moving things around like that. If you can see elements moving with the display, then you can actually go ahead and try getting your phone and try connecting maybe a third-party accessory to it and seeing if you can control your iPhone that way. If you're able to go ahead and actually connect a pair of AirPods, put your AirPods right next to it and you see a little pop-up come up like this, then that means your iPhone screen is still responsive, it's just not, the touchscreen is not working. So that is pretty much the main problem. So you're going to have to send it to Apple to repair. However, if it's still completely frozen, you can't do anything with it, you may have to do a factory reset. So I would recommend typing in how to do an iPhone factory reset, and that should give you the right instructions to go down that direction. Again, it's not a perfect method, you will delete a lot of your data, but it is the only other option here. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.